Welcome back, guys. It's AG, and you're watching Math to the Max. Today we'll discuss the mean, median, and mode. So the measure of central tendency is the value or the measures that we look at that's in the middle. We call those the mean, median, or the mode. You normally see this type of data when we're dealing with real estate and the housing market. When they want to look at the prices of the houses, we look at the median, the mean, and the mode. And also we look at a lot of this when we're dealing with statistics and athletic games, sports. All right, the mean is the average. We always say it's the average, but we call it the mean, and the notation is X bar. And we just add up all of our numbers and divide it by the number of data in that set. The median is the middle number, but we got to put it in order. If there are like 3 numbers, 5 numbers, 7 numbers, 9, 11, etc., it would be one number in the middle. If it's 2 numbers, 4 numbers, 6 numbers, 8 numbers, 10 numbers, etc., you have to find the average of those 2 numbers to get the number in the middle of that. The mode is the number that occurs the most on your integer rules. All right, so what's the process? So the process to find the mean is just to add up all the numbers and divide it by the total numbers in the data set. The median, just put it in order from least to greatest, and you find the middle number depending on if it's odd or even. And then your mode, make sure you put it in order so you can easily see which one occurs the most. All right, you already know what time it is. It's time to go to work. All right, pause the video to see if you can find the mean, median, mode. Okay, how do we find the mean? We must add up all our numbers. Let's do that. And you should have gotten 30. All right, now we need to find out how many numbers are in the data set, because we got to do the total or the sum divided by how many numbers. And there were a total of 6 numbers, so 30 divided by 6. And our average, aka the mean, is 5. Number 2, we have to put it in order when we find in the median from the lowest to the highest. It's recommended you could do the highest to the lowest. All right, so now that we got the numbers in order, we must cross them out. This is just a helpful tool to know which one's in the middle. We cross them out based on the end in pairs. So the front and the last one, front and last one, front and last one. So we see we left with one number in the middle, and that number is 8. So 8 is our median. Find the median, we got to put them in order. Let's do that. All right, now we have to cross them out again. All right, so now we see there are 2 numbers in the middle. When there's 2 numbers in the middle, we got to find the average of those 2 numbers. How you find the average? Add them up and divide by how many numbers. There are 2 numbers. So our final answer for our median is 21.5. All right, the mode is the number that occurs the most. So we need to put them in order so we can look and see which one occurs the most. So I see 11 occurs twice, 17 occurs twice. Everything else occurs once. So there are actually 2 modes. So the modes are 11 and 17. Let's put them in order from least to greatest. All right, now let's underline and see which one occurs more than once or the most. I'm looking. Oh, I don't see anything that occurs more than once. So there's no number that occurs more than once. So your answer will be no mode. Now you can find the mean, median, and mode. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment on the channel. Until next time, always striving for excellence and reaching for success.